Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, we will be reviewing the top 3 best clutch for Jeep Wrangler based on their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and updated prices, you can check out the description below. So let's get started with the video. To begin with is the Lot 05065 clutch kit. Wrangler drivers in the market for an affordable yet capable clutch kit may find the lock set to be a safe bet. The package includes all the necessary hardware for installation. You'll even get some grease to get things going. On and off-road, performance is steady and smooth. You'll always feel in control. Plus, compared to most rivals, installation is easy and straightforward. Speaking of the package, you'll find 2 bearings with this clutch, a pilot and a throwout bearing. The second option is the Southeast clutch kit compatible. If you're not really sure which company to trust with your third-party clutch, this automobile gear giant might be right up your alley. Southeast Clutch is the biggest clutch seller in the US, has been for a very long time. All of its products are designed, made, and thoroughly tested in the US, Miami, which means you'll get exactly what you pay for. Add a 12K miles warranty and you'll get a bargain. The only downside? Sometimes there can be quality control issues. We're talking about minor things here, like a couple of scratches here and there that won't ruin your experience. To end with is the Centerforce KCFT379176. This is the most expensive clutch set on our list, but it's still worth your while. First of all, it provides a very smooth performance on the road and off it, which can't be said about many similar devices. Secondly, installation won't take much time or experience, and an amateur mechanic will be able to pull it off. The incredible durability, in turn, means that the clutch can take a hit and still do its job right. So, should you commit to and pay some more extra bucks, or maybe you'll be better off with the more affordable alternatives? It all comes down to your current needs and the thickness of your wallet. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below.